Hello everyone, I am Sagar from Technocraft Engineering Solution. In this video, we will demonstrate a GOM scanner. So before start the demonstration, we have to understand the purpose of GOM scanner. So GOM scanner is used for 3D scanning application. So in nowadays, 3D scanning is mostly important in industrial engineering as well as reverse engineering application. So 3D scanning is nothing but making a CAD model by using a real life object which take a snapshot by using different types of scanner. So we have a GOM scanner machine and the name of that machine is Atos Core 300. So we will introduce a machine one by its parts. So this is a machine having a name of Core 300 having a accuracy up to 15 micron. Okay, this machine GOM scanner is further connected to cable and cable is connected to controller and having a key which is used for software application. So this GOM scanner having a FOV of 350 mm and this FOV means field of view. How many area is captured by this scanner? So when we start our scanning, so basically we have to first put a marker on that real object. So that will capture by one and taking a snapshot. So we have this GOM scanner, we have this sticker having a diameter 1.5 mm. So we put this sticker on the real life this object and when you put this on this, so we get a snapshot by using remote and the 3D images is generated in our software. So we have a GOM scanner which is mounted on this tripod and tripod get the vertical as well as horizontal movement. So this GOM scanner is further connected to our controller by using this connecting cable. So now we will scan one object that name as a throttle which is used in bike as well as moped. So first we put a sticker on that and then after we will scan one by one. So we put this object into this rotary table and we give the number of rotation as per our requirement. So we have provided 6 number of rotation here. Then this is a FOV of GOM scanner. FOV means field of view and this green spot shows the number of sticker which is sticks on our part. So now we will start our scanning by using rotation table. So here 3D images generated. This total portion comes into FOV and which is further converted into CAD model. And this remaining portion downside further deleted by using deleting command. So we scan this in a top side and also in bottom side. So top side scanning and bottom side scanning, we will further merge into total scanning by taking a reference marker, reference position. So reference position is nothing but it is a common point between top side and bottom side. So after merging top side and bottom side scan, we got the final model, and let's see. This is a CAD model generated by scanning, and this one is an actual model. So see the difference. There is no difference between CAD model and actual model. So COM scanner is important for all applications in industrial engineering also and reverse engineering. So thank you for watching.